with Afrobeats going that level and Nigeria like pushing and still being there, like where I feel like we being that strong number 2 can give us a bigger opportunity at the table. We shouldn't sit there and make me a Kenya or another country come and take it. And my piano has sort of derailed it a little. It has, but it has not, because even in SA, my piano is not your lead sound there, you know. So we are, you know, number 2 to like in the Afrobeat category, and that allows us to sit on the tables in different conversations. So I think we're doing well. We should just hone this opportunity that we have with our neighboring country and just keep pushing and make sure that we're very strong. One day we'll be number 1.
Yeah.
You understand? One day Pepsi still wants to be number 1. You understand?
I believe.
But yeah, I'm sure their forecast is not showing to be number 1 in the next couple of years. But so we should just keep pushing. And it's good that we're on the table. That's the first thing. We have been invited. We
have a seat there.
You know, other countries will want that. I'm sure Liberia will want that. All these other West African countries will want that. But we're on the 2, you know, we sit at that table of Afrobeats.
Yeah, so that's when we say, we are going, heaven knows that we are going.